5 minute kind of beat the productions, and I don't even know what I'm talking about here, but we can guess a lot of things. And I'm just saying that, I did this like 5 minute times and I'm really so stressed out. But honestly, peace and serenity is what we need today. And look how my lopsided looking bun look like on my head, but it's okay. I'm a fantabulous boiled looking egg, and look at my self expression, think I'm so cute. Like, who said you cute, sis? But anyways, you can see I'm trying to present that, I got edges and all this bun and bedazzle wazzle with all this jewelry on top of me. But through the whole entire time I was doing this video, I got a whole bunch of scratches because my nails were just on my skin, you know what I mean? And let's enjoy the fact that I have like my TV on, and I'm missing so much, but it's okay. And I think I really did good on my edges in a way, because my edges be never slick. But anyways, I'm gonna take this out, to show you. Oh, okay, all right. Dang.
When you wake up in the morning, your hair is not the greatest, and it's a Friday. So let's say you have a Friday and you're tired of brushing your hair, and you're just like, let me try to be cute, let me look like a baddie. We're gonna do a bun. So so you're gonna get some coconut oil. Get some coconut oil, things like that. You can just use, I don't know how much. And I'm just gonna go mostly on my edges areas so a girl can have edges afterwards. It's not like I'm gonna go crazy on it, but maybe. So if you guys wanna know how to, if you guys want me to share my secret of how I grow out my hair, oh shoot, Jesus Christ. So basically, if you guys want to know how I grow my hair, I will share it down below. So then we're gonna apply so the things that you need is a toothbrush, an Eco Gel, and deep treatment mask by Cantu. You can use any cream. Deep treatment mask, and you're gonna use some jewelry if you guys have jewelry. This is optional, honestly. And then you're gonna need 2 hair ties. Oh, of course. And where's my brush, bro? Oh. Yo, you guys. Anyways, so I was just speaking that because my grandmother just came in and she was just threatening me of homework. That's how amazing school is. School doesn't give you life. No. So I'm just gonna apply this, okay? So this is gonna be speed through. And I'm gonna apply some of this mask. Oh. I am messing up today. You're gonna apply some mask, some Eco Gel. And you're gonna slick that sis back, okay? Okay. Okay, speed is over. I guess I'm just gonna take off my glasses in the process of it. Okay, so now that you have your hair slicked, okay, beguísimo. So now we're just gonna try to make the bun, alright? So this is why I say, I don't know if I said it already, this is why it's good to do on your 5th day, because your curls are like, so it's just and more puffier and a little bit more dry. So it just gives a little bit more volume when you're doing it, okay? So what I start to do is I try to grab one little piece. I'm not an expert at buns because I feel like I look like a boiled egg. I'm gonna be nicer to myself. I look like an organic boiled egg, which is, the organic eggs is usually brown. Yeah, I'm that. So yeah, organic boiled egg and a very bouncy curl shaped ramen noodle on top. Watch. So I'm just gonna start. I just start off with basically trying to wrap one around, and then I try to grab some more around and stick it in my eye, and then yeah, there's an eyelash in my eye. And so you're just gonna keep going like this. some more, and yeah. So, and then that's when you get another hair tie, and then and that's how you get a bun. And honestly, we like that messy bun, but if you like it too perfect, go ahead. And with my hair, later in time, my curls will try to come out after 8 hours. So next thing is you add jewelry. All right, so you try to do whatever like pattern you try to do, and you try to do that. So I'm using the ones that are more like model jewelry shaped, will be diagonal from each other. Bam. And you just do that. And I lost my twisty jewelry, so don't come for me. And you get a box. So then the next thing is the step of edges, because let's leave the edges. Alright, I'm gonna speed that.
So honestly, you know, growing up in a Spanish or Dominican household, it was loud. So I'm just gonna continue like it's perfectly fine. So you're gonna grab some edge control or gel and put it on your baby hairs, and you're gonna try to swoop that thing around. You know, try to make a curve on it, try to make a design. And you see on this part, I've been having troubles with it. You know, I didn't want to separate it into nice, perfect form edges. So in this case, you can use a tooth comb if you want to separate it and make a nice line when you make it. But you know, you keep pushing through because you're trying to look cute and you're trying to have edges. You could breathe a little bit, but you know, you could pout and you could just continue, because you know it's all worth the effort. And yeah, so then I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna apply the same amount of gel, or I don't know how much gel you can do. And so when I separate the baby hairs, I would slick it back, so you know, because when you be doing this, the baby hairs like to be flying up in the air. You just gotta be like, no sis, sit yourself down. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm then done with this, and I just noticed how creaking this is, and it's killing me. And I didn't know this was like 13 reasons why did I hear something out my window. Let me not go there. Yeah, so this is what basically it looked like. It looked like, yeah, grammar. So I'm just gonna say this. I have my own way of wrapping my head, so I'm not gonna make people come for my whole life with that. So I'm not sharing that. So this is how it turns out. I don't know how to do my edges properly, but this is how it turned out. Okay, so it never turns out right for me, so don't come for me. So this is how it looks. Okay, you can look like a baddie, you can look like a snack, and you can look easy. And then so just the last part is that you just water your little mini recitos. And for you to curl, you can use your fingers, you can use other circular things to wrap it around, and you just scrunch it up and try to find its form. You have to figure out. Also, when you stretch it out, right, you try to figure out where it's curving at so it can actually form that way, and it will actually work with you. Yeah. Bing. Yeah, so basically that's it. And 12 minutes, are you kidding me? So yeah, this is how it looks. And you can add your hoops, you can use whatever earrings you want, you can put some jewelry, you can get a bag that fits with it, and you just look comfortable on Friday. But since I'm very, please don't come around, okay. Honestly, thank you so much for watching my video, and the next video will be my rice water challenge and what it did for me. So have an amazing day. Goodbye, au revoir, and adios, mi gente. Que tengan un buen día. Subscribe down below, follow my social media, put on notifications for more videos. Thank you. Yes. Okay. We did it. We did it. We didn't, but we did. Yes.